Now, our bucket for risk is called the risk register, okay? And we're gonna write them all down. Now, the categories that we might go through is we might identify where we found it. Where in the WBS does this relate to, or what conversation were we having, boom, that popped up this risk? What is it related to, the category? What's the description? We'll talk all about how we prioritize using probability and impact. We have an overall risk score that takes both things into account. We have trigger conditions. That's when do you know that the risk is, boom, arrived. And then we have the risk response plans. Those are the arrows that we shoot at the risk at the right time. The risk owner, who's keeping their eyes out and managing the risk. And then what's the status and the result? Once we do that, we got risks going in the right direction. So right now, we just fill up our both risks and opportunities, okay? Now, let's play out an example. Say we're filling out the WBS and we're like, oh, at this step 1.5, we see some problems related to material. A risk has emerged. It is during the project's execution phase, there's a risk that the price of steel could rise dramatically, which would have a negative impact on our ability to meet the cost baseline. Think about that. Really specific about where it is, what it's related to. So in execution, we have a material. If the cost goes up, it could really hurt our baseline. Really specific. Now we're going to get that and we're going to go on and keep nailing down more and more risks to fill up that register.